that even within that position, the mother is also killing the child. This is Kali Yuga. So, to get a material body is not at all pleasure. It is always miserable condition from the very beginning and up to the point of death. Simply miserable condition. This is intelligence. That the miserable condition means we accept this material body. Therefore, to be out of miserable condition means not to accept again this material. That should be the aim and objective of life. Not to accept. That we have repeatedly said that it can be achieved very easily. Takta dehang punarjanmanaiti. After giving up this body, we do not accept any more material body, provided we become fully Krishna conscious. At the time of death, if we simply remember Krishna, janga janga bapi smarana bhavam tajattanti kalevaram. That is the highest perfection of life. Simply to remember Krishna. That is also the statement in the, if we can consciously remember Krishna, whatever was possible for me, I have tried to execute. Now this is the last stage. You do whatever you like. That's all. Now Krishna is very kind. He'll at once take you back to home, back to Godhead. Ante Narayana Smriti. This is the highest perfection of life. Therefore we have to practice Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. By practicing Sada Tada Bhava Bhavita, this is required. Always think, Manmana Bhava Mad Bhakta, Krishna advice, always think of. Where is the difficult? We have to think of something. We cannot keep our mind vacant. That is not possible. So make it a point that think of Krishna. That's all. Think of Krishna. And if you chant, if you engage your tongue, Hare Krishna, and if you hear, then everything is compact in Krishna consciousness. So, to achieve strength, Krishna is prepared to help us in so many ways. That he is Panchatattvatmakam, he is coming as Lord Krishna and ordering Sarvadharman Parityajya Mamekam Saru Charanam Braja. Still we are making mistake. We don't accept Krishna's word. Therefore Krishna is coming as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, along with his associates, Nityananda Prabhu, Advaita Prabhu, Gadadhar Prabhu, just to teach us the same process, how to surrender to Krishna. So our real business is that, how to surrender to Krishna. And if we take shelter of Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, along with his associates, then the task becomes very easy. Jaggai sankirtanai prai jajanti sumedhasa. Very easy, not at all difficult. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's method for approaching Krishna is very, very easy. Now we have got this center, Mahaprabhu center, we have got hundreds of centers, but this is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's birthplace. You have come from very, very distant places all over the world. So, here you simply take prasadam, chant Hare Krishna 24 hours, then your life is successful. It is not at all difficult. But we are so stubborn that we do not take to Krishna consciousness. That is our misfortune. But still, as we struggle against misfortune to become fortunate in the material world, similarly, we have to struggle against misfortune. Maya is very strong. But the way is also there, how to get out of the clutches of Maya. Pasate Maya tare japotia dhare. Maya has captured by embracing, just like if you capture somebody very tightly, it is very difficult to go out. Hands and legs are all caught up. Similarly, we are under the clutches of Maya in that way. But Maya's business is just to punish. But as soon as we surrender to Krishna, immediately Maya let loose. Yes. Maya me tang taranti. Very easy thing. So our only request is that take shelter of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, chant always Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda, and Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. Thank you. So, it is not very difficult task. Anyone, just like the children, the boys, 2 years, 3 years old, they are also doing the same thing. Where is the difficulty? Young man can perform the same thing, old man can also perform. Everyone can perform. It is so nice. So, do not forget this principle. Panchatattvatmakam Krishnam Bhakta Rupa Sarupakam Bhaktyavatāram Bhaktyakyam Namami Bhakta Shaktikam. Bhakta Shakti, everything requires strength. So we can derive strength by Chaitanya, by chanting Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's name and chanting Hare Krishna. You don't require very high education, neither you require to take your birth in very high family. Ahoituki. Execution of devotional service is independent, completely. It has nothing to do with material condition. Ahoituki apratihata. No material condition can check it. Who can check it? If all the world over they chant Hare Krishna, who can check? No government can check. No communist party can check. You go and chant. That is the principle. So, ahoitaki apratihata, jinatma samprasidati, and he will get individually, collectively. And where is it? Haridas, he went to Moscow. He has gone Hyderabad. He was chanting in Moscow. So people could not understand. They were asking, what you are doing? I am singing some cinema song. He was telling like that. Very clever. I am singing because the Muscovites, they are after Indian culture. So he said that this is Hare Krishna cinema song. So somehow or other, you can chant even in Moscow. Ahoituki apratihata. That is the point. You know. They are after anyone seeking after God, they are very much severely punished. This is their kingdom. But you can take this policy that we are chanting cinema song. They will not object. So if some black market means has to be taken for chanting, we have to accept that. What can be done? Our business is to chant. So if there is a restriction, sati sartham samacharet, we should be also very clever. So anyway, chant Hare Krishna mantra and be happy. That is Krishna consciousness movement. Thank you very much.